Good evening, dears. In this week, we are going to learn framing the questions and negatives. The past week, you learned 12 tenses and where we how to use the 12 tenses and how to use in a sentence and what kind of verb we have to use. Okay, today how to frame the question types because we have learned thoroughly the 12 tenses, it will help to make a question type. The sentence, the framing questions and negatives. The sentence can be divided to 5 types. The first one, statement, that is called assertive. The statement is started with the subject and end of the sentence giving a complete sense of meaning. There is a subject and predicate, that means main verb, and the sentence is complete giving sense of meaning, that is called statement. Then another one, interrogative, that is called questions or questions. Okay. Then another one, imperative, it means command or and request. Okay. Exclamatory, strong feeling or emotional. Objective, that means this. There are 5 sentences in English. Now, how to frame question? So before we are going to learn about this class, we have to learn how to frame the question, because you and I know very well framing the question from the in our first standard up to take like this. I mean, what are you doing? Hey, where are you going? And why are you crying? And what do you want? So we have to like this. But I wanted to say, I will teach you some easy method how to frame the SR type and WH model. Okay, before we are entering the class, we have to know questions. Yeah, questions can be divided into types. First one, S or no type, and another one, WH mode. Okay, WH mode means what, where, when, why, which. There are 9 words in interrogative words here. Okay, then positive. We are going to make the positive and negative. Then we are going to such a symbols here. Subject means yes, auxiliary verb means be, main verb means mv, others that means oth. Okay, so how to bring the auxiliary verb? Play. We have to. This is the present verb. This also present verb. When we use the third person singular, or when we find the third person singular in the simple present tense, we will add the yes with the verb. Okay. Then another one, verb 2, played. Play, plays, played. Okay. So these 2 verbs can be used in a simple present tense only. Okay. Do is the auxiliary verb. Play is the main verb. Plays. When we find the yes, here we have to bring this and play. Played, it indicates the past form of the verb. Okay, fine, played. So did plus verb 1, play. Did indicates the past tense. So we have to use that present verb only here after the did. Okay, because the first word did indicates the past. Okay, fine. Another one more example, comes, came. So do plus come. Do is the auxiliary verb. Here also do is the auxiliary verb. That is the auxiliary verb. Did is the auxiliary verb. So here, do is the auxiliary verb, das is the auxiliary verb, did is the auxiliary verb. When you find out the person that comes, means you have to bring dash. Okay, that came, did. Okay, fine. When we use the past verb form here, did, we have to use the verb 1. Okay, and one bring, brings, brought. You have to write like this, and it will help you to bring a lot of auxiliary, the main verb. Okay, fine. Moving on. Yes, simple present tense. In the simple present tense, we have to use the auxiliary verb do and does. You are already very strong in the auxiliary, because how to separate the verbs here? Okay, do and does. Does indicates the simple present tense. At the same time, simple third person singular in the sentence. Okay, then past refer the did is the auxiliary. So do and does is used for the simple present tense. Okay, fine, as an auxiliary. Did indicates the past tense. Simple future shall or will. Okay, it is the auxiliary verb for the future simple future tense. Present continuous tense and is, are. These are called auxiliary verb in the present condition. Then past continuous tense, we have to use the was and were. Future continuous tense, shall or will. Present perfect tense, have or has. Okay, when you find the have, has, that is going to say, for example, I have seen you in the market. Have you seen? Okay, have is the auxiliary verb here, and the main verb. Past perfect, you know very well, had is the past form, okay, and the past perfect. Past perfect plus V3. So past had is the past perfect tense as an auxiliary verb. Okay. Yes, moving on, I would like to make a lot of framing the question to frame questions and negatives, okay, with the help of the tense. C goes to class, it indicates the simple present tense. C is the third person singular. C is the subject also. Goes is the main verb. When you see or look at the sentence, you can identify this is simple present tense and third person singular. Okay. So how to frame, how to bring the auxiliary, how to bring the auxiliary verb dash. Because when you find the es or es, you have to bring dash. Okay. Dash plus verb. So C goes to class. Class means to class is the adverbial part here, but we have to mention other here. C does not. Okay. When we use the negative form in a sentence, we should bring the first auxiliary verb, subject, then auxiliary verb, then negative form. Okay. Fine. One more time. Okay. Before the negative form, we should bring the auxiliary verb. Don't forget, C does not go to class. Okay. So when you want to use the negative form in a sentence, we have to bring like this the auxiliary verb. So after the auxiliary verb, we have to use the negative form in a sentence, present or past or future, whatever tense you use. Okay. Fine. So how to frame the yes or no type? I am going to give you a formula for you. Okay. Auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, then others. One more time. The first auxiliary verb, then second subject, then third main verb, then others. Okay. So dash auxiliary means dash, C subject, go main verb. Okay. To class is the other. Does she go to class? Yeah, you can say yes. See dash. There is an answer for that. Okay. In the negative form, because this is the positive, the negative. So yes, the positive and negative. Doesn't she go to class? The same formula, but we have to add here doesn't, or you can write either does she not go to class. What is the difference between the does she go to class or does she not go to class? This is a spoken form, that is a written form. Does she not go to class? Okay, fine. One more time. C goes to class. This is the statement. So we have to change in the positive, it's a negative form. C does not go to class. Do you understand how to bring the auxiliary verb? When we find the main verb, we have to bring like this the auxiliary verb. So simple present tense, do and dash. Okay. In simple past tense, did only. Fine. So here C does not go to class. Remember one more time, whenever you want to use the negative form in a sentence, you should bring the auxiliary verb. You should use the auxiliary verb before the negative form. Okay, fine. So how to frame the yes or no question? So this formula will help you to make a lot of framing yes or no questions. The first one we have to use the auxiliary verb, then subject, then main verb, then others. Okay, so does she go to class? Does is the auxiliary verb, C is the subject, main verb is the verb, does she go to class? So you have to frame a lot of questions like this. Does she come to class? Does your father read the newspaper daily? Do you drink coffee? Do you play cricket? Do you play the music daily? You can create a lot of questions with the using the formula. It will help you. Okay. Then negative form. Does she go to class? No. So does she? No. So does she? You can use that. Okay. So in the WH, these are very important questions. Okay. So we have to, if you want to frame a WH formula, we can the same formula, but in front of that we have to add the WH word. So there are 9 words, interrogative words. Okay, fine. WH word, then auxiliary verb, then subject, then main verb. So where WH means verb, auxiliary does, subject means she, then main verb go. Where does she go? Okay, she goes to class. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, do you understand how to frame? And this, I hope that all the one learns about this formula. Okay, you understand very clearly. Yeah, good. Okay, where does she go? Where does she learn? Where does she study? Okay, where do you go? In the present tense, when you use that you or I or they or we, we can use that absolute do. Okay, when you find a third person singular, that's why we have to use the absolute dash here. Okay, so where does she go? Okay, you can frame like that. Where do you go? how do you go, how do you learn, how do you know, okay, you can frame a lot of questions like this, okay. Let's moving on the simple past tense, okay. See, when to class, I mean you understand it, when you look at the sentence you can identify, yeah, there is a simple past tense, okay. See is the subject, went is the main verb, to class is the others. So went divided into two types, okay. Went, yeah, that is called did plus main verb go. Did indicates the past form, okay. See is the subject, went is the main verb here. So we need the auxiliary verb. When you find the past tense, we have to use the did plus verb 1, okay. See, did not go to class, because if you want the negative form in a sentence, we have to bring the auxiliary verb in front of the negative words, okay. Fine. Did indicates the auxiliary verb. So after the auxiliary verb, we should use the negative form. We should not go to class. I mean, did refers past tense. I did not complete my homework. I did not have my breakfast in the morning. Okay. I did not do my work. You did not call me. You did not help me yesterday. Okay, you can use like this. Okay. Then frame the question type. Yes or no tried. Okay, fine. Yes or no means yes. When the questioner is asking the questions, yeah, did you have your breakfast? Yeah, I did. Okay. So the same way, did is the auxiliary verb. Then subject is see. The main verb is go. Others is then to class. Did she go to class? Yeah, she did. That is the answer for this question. Did she go to class? Yeah. Did you call me? Did you wait for me? Did you help me? Did you understand this one? Yeah, you can create a harder question like this. Okay. Then the negative form. Okay. Did she go to class? Okay, fine. In the negative form, you can write this is the spoken form. You can write the